Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. So if you're one of the lucky few that just scored a new Z10 from CF Moto, one of those accessories you're gonna wanna get is that front camera. They do come with a back camera and they have a front camera as an added accessory. It's gonna come in a nice box like this. It is one of the CF Moto crafted accessories. CF Moto does a great job with their accessories. We're gonna show you how the install was on this one right now. It's gonna come with good instructions. Instructions are super easy. Let me show you how it's done. So we've already installed it. The thing that you're going to need to do is uninstall this plastic piece that's on the back side of the bumper. 2 screws are gonna come out. You're just gonna throw those away. You're not gonna need this piece either. The camera is going to install on the back side. The holes are already drilled in the bumper. There's nothing you need to do that way. You're going to use the new hardware to attach the camera. I got a little tip for you. The first time I put this in, I had the camera upside down. Matt caught that. So we had to uninstall it, flip it back around, but I'm gonna give you a tip. Come this way. I don't know why this works out this way, but on this back side, if you have this little notch out on the top, which I would have assumed it would have been on the bottom, that's gonna be the right orientation of the camera. So all you're gonna do after you install that, you can chuck that piece as well. You can install the new piece, route your cabling. It comes with all the zip ties you need. It comes with the good zip ties that actually go inside the metal structure of the bumper and the frame. You're gonna route it up. You're gonna follow along here. It's gonna go right up through the firewall area here. There's no holes to drill. And right up here on the back side of the massive display, you're gonna uninstall this piece right here in my hand. This is just a rubber dust cap, if you will. If you just grab onto it with your fingers or a pair of pliers, it'll pull right off. And then the camera portion will just plug right in. Before you attach all the zip ties, just verify it works, verify your orientation of the camera is correct, and that's it. There's nothing else you need to do. This piece right here, if you have a little plastic pry tool to pop that open, is helpful to get under this access cover. This cover, you just pop it off. Very super easy install. Anybody can do it. We have these cameras in stock today as the date of the video. We'll be sure and post up a link to the product description where you can go and place an order online today. If you get that order in by 1 or 2 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, it'll go out the same day. Again, in stock at Big Pine. I'm gonna say anybody can install this. That's how easy it is. I just installed it. I don't know, it took 5 minutes. Yep. Super easy. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We are the CF Moto headquarters here, and we're gonna hook you up with anything you need. We have a lot more information to come. Have a great day, everybody.